Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how we can drop a table in Laravel project. Now the thing is, if we go to the phpMyAdmin, if we select the database name, we can drop the table like this by pressing the drop button. But the thing is, there is the migration file, so when we are migrating our project, the table will be created. So to drop that table, I'm going to create a new migration file. I'm going to say php artisan make colon migrate, that should be migration, and then migration file I'm going to define that as drop student underscore table, and then press enter. The migration file will be created into this database folder. In the migrations folder, this is the file. So here in this up function, I'm going to say schema colon drop, and then parentheses I'm going to pass in the table name. So the table name is student, and then finally end up with the semicolon. I'm going to save that. So to run, I will say php artisan migrate. Now I will refresh my phpMyAdmin. Now you can see the student table is gone. Okay, if this video helps, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.